What is the basic unit of life? Cell. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. What pigment makes plants green? Chlorophyll. What carries genetic information? DNA. What is the study of heredity called? Genetics. Which system transports blood in the body? Circulatory system. How many bones are there in the adult human body? (206). What type of cell lacks a nucleus? Prokaryotic cell. Which is the process of water movement through a semi-permeable membrane? Osmosis. Which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? Leaf. The study of the internal structure of organisms and their parts is called anatomy. What enzyme breaks down starch in the mouth? Amylase.